So, hi M&M's. It is another Monday morning where I don't know what I'm talking about. Hi, Sadie. It's housework day. We are going to fold clothes. We, Mr. We. And now, the clothes are done. And Butthead here, decided that he wanted to stop folding halfway through and eat his ice cream. It's the truth. Deal with it.
I'll have it done. I've gotten 2 loads of laundry done. A load of dishes. Fed the baby.
Not our baby. We don't have any kids. It's his granddaughter. She's actually taking a nap right now because someone decided to whine for 30 minutes and not stop.
Almost an hour.
So we were telling her that she is now a cranky kid and needs to go to bed. That's what she's doing.
Nap time. So I got a interview tomorrow at 10 o'clock. What was it, some service? What's that? How long ago?
Toby, what are you doing, little buddy? Tubs. You are now called the ninja. And we're just playing around. I put the shirt over him earlier and I was like, you are now the blue ninja. And I was like, I wish we got that on tape. So I kind of got it on tape.
I used to actually practice ninjutsu when I was a kid.
Really?
When I was 17, yeah. I studied under 2 American Master Ninjas. 4 years.
How many
It was
years
fun.
was that?
4.
4, 5, 2, 3, 9, 8.
4.
Toby! Catch. Don't hurt me, please. Are you waving your red flag or your black flag? See, when you look out our balcony, we have this huge tree. And you get to see birds in the tree. Where did the bird go? There was a bird in that tree, I swear. There was a bird in the tree. Oh, there it is. Oh, don't move, birdie. Don't move. There. So you wake up every morning listening to the sweet sound of music of birds, and it just flew away, and I didn't get it in the picture. Why?
Actually feels nice out here.
It does. It feels pretty nice out here. It feels like about 70 degrees.
Yeah.
But
Fresh air.
it's cloudy.
Is fun. Yeah. So what you doing? What you eating there?
Want some cheese, Mon? And I suck at that accent. Yeah. But it's cheese, Mon. I'm eating wheat thins and some cheese. I haven't had this in a few years.
Really?
I think the last time I had this was like 3 years ago.
It's good stuff.
Yeah. Like the cheesiness.
Yeah. I think it's just because it's salty.
Probably. Want some salty cheese, man?
It just didn't sound right.
I know. That's why I said.
Just realized that. I say a lot of stupid shit. If you guys have been watching our vlogs at all, you're aware of this. Apparently my tradition continues.
What's going on, honey? I hear a bunch of
Awesome. Yeah.
angry
Yeah.
words out here.
I'm going to grab my tape real fast. Just stay in line.
Wait, what's going on?
Another failed faggot-ass game of zombies.
Oh. Well, you care to share with the M&Ms what happened?
No.
No.
Yeah.
He's an angry panda.
I'm so done with that fucking thing. I like the zombie part, I'm just not down with the whole troll art trophy bullshit.
And when he's angry, he eats, apparently. Toby, you can't have any. You can't have any, dude.
Another thing I wanted to say is there's so many of you that I read your comments. Paragraph comments are huge, chunky, beefy comments. Usually on Straight Art blogs or most YouTube videos, you just see like 1-2 sentence comments. There were some big, beefy, chunky paragraph comments about how you wish you could have been a black.
Don't fall off, Toby, don't fall off.
Wish this.
And now I play Tetris. Because I'm bored. I'm a bored Tetris player. Whatever you guys want. Yeah. Alright, gonna play. You guys are gonna see my skills. I used to be level 21, but I'm not that good anymore, apparently. I'm not trying to boast. It's whatever. It's a game. Don't get pissed off about the game. Oh, I don't know where to put you. Da 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 da. I'm gonna play Tetris because I'm bored and there's not really anything I can do right now. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I will beat you because I said so. Not really. I probably won't beat this person, honestly. Do you guys, like, I know you can't really see me right now, or, like, see me vlog, but do you guys ever get, like, annoyed with me by breaking out into random song? If you do, let me know. I'll stop breaking out in random song, but I know, I kind of done it. I've broken out in random song for, like, whenever I'm usually bored, or I don't know what to talk about, and I'm just trying to be funny or make someone laugh. Like, that's usually when I would break out a random song. But, I mean, some people think that it's just me being crazy or whatever, and some people think it's quite hilarious and think that, again, I'm weird or something. Which is fine. I've never really been the type of person. Did I win? Did I win? No! I lost. Fail.
Really?
So I do not have mad skills.
No, I don't either. We got down again.
Again?
Peas, we're in the cornfield, puppet truck runs down, electric zombie showed up, I got down, then boss got down, then Crystal got down.
So you know who has mad skills then?
Who?
Toby.
Oh shit, maybe yeah, play zombies.
Hey M&M's. It's really hot in this apartment. Where are you going, Marcus? It's really, really hot in this apartment. I'm burning up, so we open up the windows and everything. But this dude here needs to go to bed because he has to wake up. What time do you have to wake up?
For 8.
8?
The latest.
You have to wake up at 8.
The latest.
I'll probably be going to bed here soon too.
I have a job in the room tomorrow. Wish me luck.
Crystal fingers! Yay!
Alright, so.
I'm way too excited.
Anyway. You guys have a great night. Deuces.
Peace out.
Later.
Good morning, M&M's. Michael's right there. Right. There. I'm getting frustrated. He's trying to reorganize his gaming channel. And he's getting frustrated. That's his frustration eye.
The eye of the frustration.
Hello, M&Ms. Sorry we haven't vlogged much today, but I have something in store